Hey, it's Hackpacker. Look, you need to stop losing your tent stakes in the grass and tripping over them. See how visible that one is? I'll show you how you make a little flag like this or that one. I'll show you 3 variations using high visibility duct tape. This cost me like $1.25. It's an easy mod. You can do it. Stay tuned. I'll give you all the details.
First, a demonstration. How quickly can you find 6 tent stakes dropped in the grass? Can you find even one? If you're watching on a small screen, stay tuned, because I'm about to provide a closer look. Pause the video here if you'd like to keep searching, because I'm about to use video enhancement to reveal the location of all 6 stakes. So the only thing I did to hide the stakes was drop them on the ground from about waist high. When you do this, they might fall in a visible place, or they might not. When the image enhancement fades, their location is hard to see, resulting in lost time to look for them and occasionally a completely lost tent stake. Let's fix that.
We got my tent stakes. Got a roll of yellow duct tape. I paid $1.25 for this at a dollar store, Dollar Tree. Pair of scissors. So there's 3 ways you can possibly do this. What I'm going to do is just add the yellow to the top. And this is going to make a dramatic difference. I wanted to show you 3 different ways to do it. Alright, so the first way, the less visible of the 3, but still pretty highly effective. And that's just going to be to wrap the tape around it. There's 1. There's 2. You can see it helps a little. The second way is to make a triangular flag. Just going to start with a square of tape. Place it on the diagonal. And the corners up to make a little triangle. I'm intentionally staying away from this part because I'm not sure of the dynamics of how that will work. Cool little flag. And then, yeah, so you can start to see their visibility. And then the 4th way would be some version of square or rectangle. I should have used my knife instead of these scissors. Oh, that cut okay. Line it up kind of here. Trying to get in the center. So, like that. Now, where it's not stuck to anything, you can either fold that down like that, or you can take the scissors and trim it a little bit. It'll pick up dirt eventually. May make things a little sticky. Highly visible. To finish these other 2 off, I'm going to use half the width. And for this one, try to bring the edges up a little bit. Done it a little bit differently. Gonna sneak it in there. Sneak it in. Oh, right in the end. That works. There's that one. Let's see, how do I want to do this one? So there we have some different options. As you can see, I've got a lot of tape left. So if you've got a hiking club, just grab a roll and take it to your hiking club a couple times and offer to tape people's tent stakes.
Oops. Once again, I've dropped my 6 stakes onto the ground. How quickly can you find all 6? Immediately see 4 The other two are a little harder to see. But notice how much easier it was to see the large rectangular flag, followed next by the triangular flag, followed by the two medium flags, and finally, I can barely see the two stakes where I wrapped the yellow tape just around the end. I hope this demonstrated a dramatic increase in visibility and that you will be encouraged to perform the same enhancement for yourself.
It's got to be here somewhere. If you've ever lost camping gear in the grass and the weeds, or if you've ever tripped over a tent stake that was difficult to see, well, I'm about to present a solution for you that's both quick and inexpensive. Hi, I'm Hackpacker, sharing creative tips to help you outjoy your outdoor experience. Today, I'll present 3 options to improve your tent stake visibility. But first, let me demonstrate why this may be necessary.